Today we are discussing about access modifier. There are two types of modifier in Java: access modifier and non-access modifier. There are four types of access modifier. One is private, default, protected, public. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. Suppose there is a class, there is another class inside a file. So access modifier of the private member, suppose private int a, it is applicable only for that class only, not the outside of the class. Default means the access level of a default modifier is only within the package. There is no such keyword like default, like private. The default means there are nothing. Like int a means it is defined as default. Protected, the access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. Suppose there is a package, inside that everywhere it is accessible, but outside the package child classes, inside the child class it is accessible. Public means it is accessible everywhere. There are many non-access modifier. We discuss about access modifier, and there are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient. Static means previously we have discussed, like it is class level. Abstract means this is used to achieve abstraction. Previously we have discussed synchronized is used for multi-threading. Native is used for whichever is written another language, whichever code is written in another language, it is known as native. Volatile, transient, etc. There are method overriding through which the access modifier will be come into that example. Class A, protected void message. There is protected member, void message is method. There is print hello. There is another class sample extends A, void message, it is default. Previously discussed that default is no keyword is there, the nothing means default is there, print hello is there. So this will give compile time error because the accessibility level private, then protect, then default, then protected, then public. We can't minimize the access level of that class. We can upgrade the access level of the particular member, but we can degrade the access level of the particular member. Suppose there, if there is a public void message, this will simply execute, no compile time error will there. But if it is private or it is default and it is protected and it is the child class, so it will give error. So simple object new simple object message is method, so this will create an error. The default modifier restrictive then protected, so there is compile time error, so this will give an error. So we can't degrade the accessibility level through parent class to child class. We can upgrade the accessibility level of the particular member of the particular method.